everyone and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So as the title and the thumbnail would have given away already, today's video is going to be all about the Marc Jacobs Traveler Tote, or the Tote by Marc Jacobs. Mine is in the large size in the canvas material in this like beigey color. And yeah, in today's video I'm going to talk about my experience with the bag. I've owned it for almost a year at this point, so wear and tear update and yeah, my overall thoughts on whether I think it's worth it and yeah, if I have any complaints in this regard. Also, I'm going to show you what fits inside, because for me personally I think it's an amazing bag both for traveling or for work or as a weekend bag. Yeah, the options are basically endless. So I'm going to give you an idea of what fits inside the bag. Also, I'm going to insert mod shots because I know that might be super helpful for you if you're currently thinking about or like wondering what the bag might look like on your body frames. So a lot of things to talk about, and before I ramble on any further, let's get into it. Oh, one quick thing before we get started. In case this is your first time watching, hi, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Lesley and on my channel I talk about luxury and shopping, but both from a mindful and sustainable approach most of the time. I film shopping vlogs, haul videos if I happen to buy something, comparison videos, review videos, collection videos, tags, you name it. So if that sounds like a thing, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and also thumb up this video if you enjoy it. I upload every Wednesday and I would love to have you back. So to give you a quick overview of the world of traveler totes, as I said, this is the largest size that they come out with, and it's pretty sizable. I'm gonna get into the exact measurements in a couple of minutes. And they also come in a medium size, which is, I think officially it's called a small, and then there's also a mini one, which is adorable. The large one only comes in canvas, if I'm not mistaken. The medium and the mini one actually, obviously also come in canvas and a multitude of colors and also materials, because the mini and the medium also come in leather versions. The large doesn't come in leather, correct me if I'm wrong, but the smaller two sizes are definitely also available in full leather, which is great, I think. One thing I want to note is that with the two smallest sizes, the handle drop is actually way smaller. It's basically more like a crook of the arm or like hand carry bag. They do come with a shoulder strap, which is detachable, which is great, but also necessary because you can't just fling the mini or the medium size over your shoulder. As I wanted to wear the bag for work, not only because the size is more suitable for work, but also because of the handle drop, which is pretty generous, and you can just chuck it over your shoulder. The large size was definitely the way to go for me, but the other two sizes look adorable too. And I mean, with the shoulder strap, which is detachable and I think also adjustable, so maybe you can wear it crossbody and stuff. That's also super versatile, obviously. One thing I do want to note about the shoulder strap on the mini and the medium is, unless they kind of changed it recently, is that one is always black regardless of the color. So take this one for example. If this was a medium, so short handle and obviously a lot smaller, although the bag itself would be beige, the shoulder strap would be black. So I don't know, obviously that's personal preference. I just thought I'd point that out. Me personally, I would prefer a matching shoulder strap. So if you buy a beige handbag, please, Marc Jacobs, give me a beige shoulder strap, because I don't know, the black shoulder strap, regardless of the color of the bag, kind of seems like the shoulder strap thing was an afterthought from Marc Jacobs, but I don't know, just my personal opinion, and I thought I'd put that out there. Obviously not even applicable to the bag in question today, so I'm gonna stop rambling about that, because as I said, this bag does not come with a shoulder strap, which again isn't really necessary because you can easily chuck the bag over your shoulder, which is great. So let's quickly talk about the price tag before I get into the measurements and what fits inside. As a rule of thumb, I'd say try to not buy Marc Jacobs bags full price, because it's a contemporary brand basically that usually goes on sale. I bought mine at 20% off, I think, during Black Friday, which is also fast approaching this year. So unless you need the bag like really urgently, I'd say wait a little and wait for a good sale, because the 20% off for me brought the bag down from 220 euros to I think 176 euros, which obviously is still a lot of money, especially for a canvas handbag. But when you compare it to the Dior Book Tote, for example, or the Saint Laurent Rive Gauche Tote, 176 euros for a, granted, mid-range contemporary brand, but still a brand handbag, is pretty amazing. And yeah, I'm gonna get into my review and wear and tear update. But yeah, basically as a little teaser, I'm really pleased with this bag and how it's been holding up. So I think, a price point under 200 euros for a pretty sturdy handbag is amazing. Now, in terms of the measurements of the bag, I quickly took out my measuring tape before this video, and the bag is 33 centimeters high, so from the bottom of the bag to the rim, basically right here, which is amazing. And by the way, I'm gonna insert the equivalent in inches on the screen, but I talk in centimeters basically. Lengthwise, I measured that on the bottom of the bag, so from, hope I'm in frame, from here all the way to here is 41 centimeters. And in terms of width or like depth, so how thick the bag is basically, it's 17.5 centimeters, so pretty generous as well. And the strap drop is also very generous, as I already said, so that's 24 centimeters, roundabout, which is great. So you can also wear it with a thick coat and that shouldn't be a problem. So that's the measurements. And I also weighed the bag, and when it's completely empty, it comes to around 910 grams, so under 1 kilo, which is amazing. And that's equivalent to, I think, like 2 pounds roundabout. So pretty lightweight. Granted, it does have some weight to it, but that also means that it's pretty sturdily built and that it does hold some structure. I mean, you can squish it, obviously it's a canvas bag, but it doesn't collapse in itself immediately as soon as the bottom touches the ground. So yes, it does have some weight to it, but that also contributes to the overall structure of the bag. And in the grand scheme of things, especially if you were to compare a handbag of this size in full leather, the leather bag would definitely be a lot heavier. So I think anything below 1 kilo is amazing for a bag that you would carry for long distances, or that you would carry around heavy stuff in, because the bag itself, when it's empty, is on the lighter side, so you'd be fine with filling it with a lot of heavy stuff, which we're gonna get into right now. So let me quickly give you an idea of what the bag looks like. No back pocket, which is kind of a shame. I would have preferred to have a back pocket, but what I love is that the bag is fully closable with a zipper, which is a huge plus compared to the Neverfull, for example. On the inside, you have a zipper compartment, which is pretty generous, and like 2 phone compartments, I guess. And let me quickly give you an idea of what fits inside. It's really big. So I have 2 laptops right here, my work laptop and my personal one, and those fit in pretty easily, and you have a lot of space down there because, as I said, the bag is around like 17.5 centimeters deep. Umbrella and my iPhone, that fits inside there. I think that's kind of a care card or something like that, to just keep it in the bag. And obviously the laptops flop over a bit, but I mean, when you wear it, it's all right. That's my power bank because my iPhone battery sucks, and that's my card holder and my pochette clés. So my current wallet situation, those can go easily inside the zipper compartment. Sunglasses case, and still a lot of room inside. I kind of ran out of ideas of what to put inside. I guess you can even fit in like a spare pair of shoes that you might want to switch in and out of, and that's a 1 liter water bottle, fits easily inside there as well. And still a lot of space left. So as I said, maybe a spare change of shoes, or if you want to take the bag for a weekend bag, I guess you'd be able to fit all your essentials and outfits to change into inside there. So I hope that was helpful and that gave you a bit of an idea of what you'd be able to fit inside the bag. Obviously, you don't need to wear it as a work bag. It's also perfect for, as I said, a weekend away, or as a beach bag, or as a hand carry item for the plane when we're able to safely travel again. Who knows when that will be, but it's always good to have a go-to travel bag, and this one would be perfect as a hand carry bag as well, because as you will have seen in my what fits inside portion of the video, it does fit quite a bit. Now let me quickly show you some mod shots, and for reference, I'm 177 centimeters, so I think that's 5 feet 10 if I'm not mistaken. So there you have it. I hope this video was helpful. I hope I was able to answer some of the questions you might have had. If there are any additional questions that I didn't address in this video, feel free to leave your questions in the comment section below and I'll make sure to get back to you. Wear and tear wise, I do have to preface this by saying that I didn't wear the bag as often as I would have liked to. A, I didn't travel yet this summer or this year in general. And B, our summer was, you weren't even able to call it summer. It was raining so often and I didn't want to take out a full canvas bag when it was chucking down like crazy. So I didn't wear it to work as often as I wanted, but I did wear it quite a bit. And so far I'm really pleased. The corners, in general, the bag looks like new basically. The corners look amazing. Also, no color transfer, which was something I was a little worried about given the light color, but so far I'm really pleased with how the bag has been holding up. I guess with time and with me increasingly wearing the bag, it might lose some of its structure. I mean, as I said, it does have some structure, but I mean, it's a canvas bag, right? It's a little squishy and I think it might lose some structure over the years or over the month. I mean, there's always the option of buying a bag insert. I don't think anyone offers bag inserts for the Traveler Tote, but I mean, it's pretty similar in size to the Neverfull GM. So I guess if you have a Neverfull GM insert or if you want to buy one, that should fit inside the Traveler Tote. So that's also an option if you're not a fan of, floppy or like bags that collapse in itself. So before I ramble on any further, thank you so much for watching. Again, if you have any additional questions on the Traveler Tote, obviously I can only speak for the large size, but regardless, just pop your questions in the comments below and maybe I'll be able to help, or maybe some of you guys that are also watching and you might own the mini size or the medium size. I guess just, pop your question down below and I'm sure there'll be someone who is able to answer your questions. Thank you so much for watching and spending some of your precious time with me. I hope you enjoyed today's video and that it was helpful or at least entertaining and fun to watch. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe. That would mean so much to me, and until next time, bye.